Hello everyone, welcome back to the yet another interesting technical video presentation by Red Hat. In this video, we will discuss what is Monitor.sh and what is tcpdump and how we can take Monitor.sh output and the tcpdump packet capture in order to analyze the connectivity issue between the hosts. What is Monitor.sh script? Monitor.sh script is used to gather snapshots of the network statistics at intervals while the networking issue occurs. Please check that enough disk space exists if the script is going to run for a longer time. What is tcpdump? tcpdump is a command line tool which captures network packets. It can also be used to analyze network traffic by intercepting and displaying packets that are being transmitted or received by the nodes. To begin, please visit the Network Debugging on Red Hat Enterprise Linux article in the Red Hat Customer Portal and click on Monitor.sh source. It will navigate you to the source code of the Monitor.sh script. Now click on Raw and you will get a new web page with complete code of the script. Please select the complete code and copy it. Now open the command line terminal of your source and destination servers one by one and create a file named Monitor.sh with your copied code in it and save it. We need to modify the permission of the file as well to make it executable. Now open the couple of terminals of the source server and the destination server because we need to run the Monitor.sh and the tcpdump simultaneously on both source and destination server. Here you can see that the above two terminals are of my source server and the bottom two of my destination server. Now run the Monitor.sh in the first terminal of source and destination server. The -d option specifies the delay between the data collection. As of now, I am running it with the 5-second delay. And on the other two terminals, make sure to take the packet capture on the interface where the actual packets are coming. The -i option is used to mention the interface name. The -s option is used to capture the snap length of the packet, and -w is to write the data in the pcap file. Here I am capturing only first 256 bytes of each packet in the packet capture. Please make sure that the issue gets reproduced while Monitor.sh and tcpdump is running. Once the issue gets reproduced, please stop the packet capture and Monitor.sh output. The next step is to create the tarball of the files and extract it from the servers and upload it on the Red Hat support ticket for analysis. Along with the data, also attach the application log or the issue timestamp when the issue gets reproduced.